video. I'm Caitlin. I am a travel advisor and cruise specialist, along with being a passionate traveler and a passionate packer. I like to talk about things, all things travel, travel tips, packing hacks, packing tips, and everything in between. I hope to make a lot of videos, not only regarding travel, but also lifestyle. Today, I wanted to come to you with some really great Dollar Tree items that are great for packing and traveling. If you see two dogs, the yellow one's Ellie, the black one's Pippa. I wanted to come to you with some really great Dollar Tree items. I've seen numerous videos on the internet, and some of them are really, really, really great. Most of them are really great, but there are a couple of items in there that honestly just aren't worth, they're just not worth it. I mean, some of the stuff at the Dollar Tree, just because the Dollar Tree doesn't mean that you should buy it. But there are some really great items that I think that are worth your time and attention. I think that you can find some really, really, really helpful items that will just come in handy. And I think that are great. So today I really wanted to show you some of my favorites in no particular order, in no particular favor. I'm just going to go ahead and start rolling things off. And I hope that you will find these helpful and enjoyable. Okay. So actually I will start with my favorite, and hopefully you will find it to be very useful too. Okay, so a little backstory. I used to collect travel size toothpaste. Whenever I would go to the dentist, I would ask my dentist for more. I have a client who works in an orthodontist office. She has been so wonderful, and a lot of the times before my trip, she brings me in travel size toothpaste, particularly the Colgate whitening, total whitening toothpaste. The problem that I have with these though is that I pack 2 or 3 when we're gone for over a week. I open one, John opens one, we go through them, and then a few, like 1 or 2 winds up in the trash, and then I come, because they're empty. And then I come home with like half used tubes of toothpaste, and then I don't want to pack them again in the future. So lately I've been packing really our normal size tubes of toothpaste, which we get at Sam's Club. We love the Crest 3D White. This is 3D White. What I'm about to show you is 3D White. I've gotten to a point that that's the toothpaste I like to use. So I want to travel with it as well. I want to have, when I travel, what I use at home. That's what I enjoy. So again, these are great. If you get them from the dentist, pack them, sure. But if you're out and you need to run to the store, I urge you not to go to Target and buy or Walmart and buy these little ones. Go ahead to the Dollar Tree, seriously. So obviously $1. These are 2.5 ounce tubes. And I haven't done the math on these versus the ones that you would get at Sam's or Costco, because Sam's Club does sell these. But compared to the 3.5 to 4 ounce tubes that you get at Target, this is actually a better buy per ounce. It would be a pain in the butt to use these on the daily, because they're 2.5 ounces. But this is what I like to call jumbo travel size, because it's a little bit more, actually it's a lot more, because this is 0.85 ounces. So it's a lot more than this, but this is plenty for a week. For 2 people, this is plenty. So I was really excited. They have a really great selection of jumbo travel size toothpaste. They have this, they have the Crest Scope, they have plenty. If you hear anything, that's my dogs out there. Plural, too. Okay, so this is one of my favorite items because I love Crest 3D White and I love traveling with it. So definitely head to the Dollar Tree and get these, because $1, hello, that's great. All right, so second item that's actually really cool, have used these before, are these, I'll show you the packaging, the travel dressing containers. This is why I love these. They're silicone, they have a wide mouth, and you can fill them up easily. I don't think it says how big they are. These are definitely not 3 ounces, but these are really great because the ones that the Dollar Tree does sell in the beauty and toiletry sections that are for travel, they're cheap plastic and they don't take their shape back. You squeeze them and they stay crimped, crumpled, whatever. So these are actually really great because you can refill them. Oh, these are 2 ounces, 2 ounces. So this is actually pretty good. And for $1, I mean, if you buy the silicone bottles at Target, you'll spend, I think, like at least $3. So this is actually a great travel size Target. What am I saying? Dollar Tree travel size buy. I don't need a ton of these anymore because all of my toiletry things that I have come in. I've purchased them in travel size literally travel size. So I just refill them, but these do come in handy to have a few empty ones in the event that I need them. Okay, next item for the boys out there. My husband really likes the Old Spice Endurance deodorant, not the antiperspirant, the deodorant. He likes the gel-ish formula. He does not like the white deodorant. He says it leaves marks. Whatever, it's fine. So at some Dollar Trees, not all, but some, they have the Old Spice Endurance. This one is in fresh. It's 1.7 ounces for $1. Again, this might actually be cheaper than getting this at Target or Walmart per ounce. It's a smaller packaging, but it might actually be cheaper. It's the exact same. It smells super good. And I think that this is actually a really great deal. And again, kind of like what I like to call jumbo travel size, because it's not as big as the regular ones, but it's certainly bigger than a travel size deodorant. That one's Pippa. So I think that, you know, if you like this deodorant, this is a great buy at the Dollar Tree. They obviously have other deodorants as well, but I use Dove religiously, so I'm a little bit picky on that. They do have Secret. They have Lady Speed Stick and Suave. Suave's not really that great of a deal because you can get that for like 97 cents at Walmart. So don't go out of your way to try to save pennies. So this is a great deal though. Okay. Okay, next item. This is kind of an honorable mention because it's not a bad deal. It's just probably, it's not like, whoa, baby. All right, it's loofahs. So I always pack a loofah. Bath sponge, whatever you want to call them. I always pack one of these when I travel because I am not a washcloth girl. I like a good lather with my Bath & Body Works body wash, and these do it for me. So I like to get them inexpensive enough for when I travel. Use them. I don't take them home. I'm not packing a wet one in my suitcase. They just go. I have seen a 2-pack at Walmart for $1. So again, it's about the same. But if you're there, get it. If you're not at the Dollar Tree, don't go out of your way to get it. Next thing is the Assured antibacterial travel wipes. These come in three single 10-packs. These are great. I've used these before. They're kind of like wet ones. When you get on the plane, wipe down your tray, wipe down your armrest. These are also great if you don't. We went to Margaritaville in Cozumel, and they did not have running water in the bathrooms. Yes, it was disgusting. But these are super handy because not only can you sanitize, you can kind of like, it feels a little bit cleaner. My hands don't feel clean when I use hand sanitizer. They feel sanitized, they don't feel clean. There's a big difference, people. So this is a great buy. I mean, $1 for 30 wipes in individual packets. So you don't even have to pack all 3 if you don't want. Love that. Okay, cruise must-have. This is great. This is a power strip. Not a surge protector, a power strip. If you pack a surge protector, when you go on a cruise, you won't be allowed to take it. You won't have it. This is great because if you have cruised before, it has 3. If you've cruised before, you are limited on outlets. There's not even an outlet in the bathroom to do your hair, ladies. So more than anything, I mean, yes, this is a power strip, but I like to call it an outlet splitter because you're getting more outlets. You're splitting the outlet. You know, when you're charging nowadays watches and phones and you're trying to do your hair, it's really annoying to have to unplug and replug everything in. So this is really helpful, really nice. I mean, you can use it at home and then pack it when you travel, whatever you want to do. But for $1, definitely worth it. And since you do get a little bit of extra length, it's great. It's absolutely great for cruising. You'll want to have it, I promise. And then 2 more mentions. Again, Dollar Tree or Walmart, but Dollar Tree is great for it. Laundry bag, mesh laundry bag. I unpack when I travel. I put dirty clothes in this bag when we are traveling because I do not want to mix my clean clothes with my dirty clothes. So usually when we return from a trip, I have one suitcase is dirty clothes and the other suitcase is clean clothes. I literally throw this full into a suitcase. This is just really nice to have. Again, you can get these at Walmart too, but if you're at the Dollar Tree, pick one up. Just don't go out of your way to the Dollar Tree for a mesh laundry bag. No. But it's great to have. So stick it in the closet in the hotel or the cruise ship in your cabin. And then as soon as you're done with something sweaty, dirty, whatever, throw it in there and it's all in one place. Just also a really nice way to keep clothes from piling on the chair, because you know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm gonna do a whole video on laundry tips when traveling, but these are a great mention from Dollar Tree. These are the detergent pods. Now, I highly recommend do not travel with liquid pods. Powder pods are great. These are powder pods. Because you know what? When they're packed, if they bust, put it in a bag of some sort. If they bust, no big deal. It's just powder. Liquid, little bit more messy. Walmart does sell individual laundry detergent packs. Those are great. I've used those. I have those. Target does not. I've only seen the small bottles of laundry detergent at Target. So these, I know Arm & Hammer's pods are powder as well. Pick up a small bag, keep them in your travel stuff, and when you're ready to pack, you have them. So I don't use pods on the daily because I don't think that they're economical. That one's Ellie. I don't think that they're economical. We use regular liquid laundry detergent, but again, these are great at a really good price to have laundry detergent when you do travel, prior to getting on a cruise ship or even after. So I hope I didn't run through that too quickly or too fast. I know I have a tendency of talking fast. It's just who I am. I wanted to go over everything really clearly and concisely, and I hope I did that. Again, I just want to keep this short and sweet. I don't want to waste your time because I know all of our time is very valuable. So again, these are some great items at the Dollar Tree that are worth purchasing. Some of the stuff, junk, skip it. But this stuff, definitely really good. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and thank you for tuning in. See you next time.